How to see Spotify Wrapped in 2022. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically see Spotify Wrapped in 2022. So simply open up Spotify on your phone, and then after that you guys are going to be able to see Spotify Wrapped over here as soon as you guys scroll down. Now if you guys can't see this, be sure that you are running the most latest version of Spotify Wrapped. And if you guys still can't see it, then simply close Spotify and reopen it, and you guys should be able to see Spotify Wrapped over here. Now, even if you guys can't see it still, simply open up your browser, and then from over here, simply search for Spotify Wrapped, and then after that, type in 2022. Then once you guys do that, simply click on this first link, which is spotify.com/wrapped. And then once you guys tap on it, it's going to take you over to spotify.com, and you guys are going to be able to see Wrapped over here. Simply click on listen to 2022 highlights here, and you guys are going to be able to see your Wrapped is here at the very top. So guys, that is how you guys can basically see Spotify Wrapped. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.